Here's a quick little tutorial on how I made the headband bow. So I took my fabric and I cut it double the width that I wanted. So in this case I cut it to 7 because I wanted it to be a 3-inch and have enough room for a seam allowance. So it's a 7-inch by just over 12 inches. And then I'm going to take these two edges, serge them together, and then I'm going to pinch this, and wrap it. So I will show you. Serge the two ends together to make a little loop like that. And now I have another little loop that I made, and I'm just going to pinch the center. It's hard to do this one-handed. Pinch the center, and then I'm going to wrap this around it and sew it on, and it will make a little bow. So I wrapped my little piece around. I'm going to turn this piece inside out so that this doesn't rub on baby. It'll be nice and soft, and then we'll turn the entire thing right side out, and I will show you the finished product. Right, so it is right side out now, and when you turn the entire headband right side out, it makes a little bow.